it has been one of the hottest days of the year today, and I have been baking like a crazy lady. I am super warm. I ditched my t-shirt and I've just got my sports bra on, and literally the balloons have come. So I'm going to show you the cake. I was going to film a bit more with how I was going to decorate and me decorating, but I can't. With Isla and Rowan running around and trying to do everything else, it's been mad. And I even managed to go to the gym today, which was like, that's crazy, isn't it? But I've managed it. So look at my hair. Yes, it is a mess. Shower time. So let's show you the cake. So here it is. I've done my absolute best with it. I've tied a ribbon at the back, you can't really see, but it's got this beautiful 2 candle. We actually got this in Paris, this candle, so I'm super chuffed with it. I'm just in love with this cake. It's so homemade. It has to be blue because of Rowan-Blue, and we've just been to America and we were out there and it was Memorial Day, and I just feel like I wanted to do something a bit patriotic, and yeah, so I just love it. I love it. Good morning. It is literally Rowan's birthday. Happy birthday, Rowan. Look. Hello, Isla. Look.
Mom.
2.
You're a big boy. Lots of balloons.
Wow.
For you.
9.
You're not 9. You're 2.
9.
No, not 9. 2.
9 your favourite word at the moment, Ro.
So he's got a new toy. He's got a toy. He's not got a new toy, but he's got a toy that stops at 8.
Yeah.
And he loves saying 9. Yay, buddy.
Digger, yeah.
Yay, you found a digger. Tractor. It's a tractor.
Happy birthday.
You can't say tractor. He's only ever had a digger before.
Yeah, tractor, look. Is that nice? Do you like that?
It's a good one, this. Whoa.
Where's it going?
Nanny got you that. Out in the garden. Right, Nanny, take the toy away, I think. I think we're going to need to take that away. Right, you've seen that one? Ro? Can we see what else you've got, buddy?
Don't see what
I feel really mean. Let's take that one away and we'll see what else Nanny wants to look at it.
Look at what's over there.
Oh, nice.
Let's go see what's over there.
Right, come with me. What's that one? Are you ready?
1, 2, 3. Rowan, this is off Isla, baby. This is off Dee Dee. This is a big present off Dee Dee. She chose it herself. Didn't you, Isla?
Oh,
She went to the shop and chose this for you, birds.
Oh, how lovely.
Mummy would never have bought. I would never have bought him.
Why, is it nice?
Don't think I would have spotted it.
Well, she bought it.
There's so much you can buy. Do you know what I mean? There's so much you can buy. I don't think I'd have bought it him.
Oh, right, well, it's nice.
You see what I mean? It wasn't on my radar of gifts,
No.
which was nice.
Oh, I must say.
I gave her £40 for him, and I think she did ever so well.
Yeah.
Because she got that toy for 25 and another one for 15. So she did ever so well.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, I see. Is that a truck?
And loads of other little bits that I didn't want to buy, and I bought anyway.
A little train.
Whoa, Bunny, look at that. Let's see. What have you got? Are you a good girl, Isla? Are you a loving sister? Whoa, it's a choo-choo train.
Oh, isn't that gorgeous?
Wow.
Oh, Isla, lovely present from Rowan.
That's so lovely.
Girl.
We're going to get that out in a minute, bud, and Daddy can build it. Yeah, shall we see what else you've got? He's not got the concept. He has to play with each thing. He's grown so much since Christmas, hasn't he?
Oh, I think
Like at Christmas, he wasn't bothered at all.
No, but no, he's...
I think I've wrapped too much up. I forgot how young he was again. I do it all the time. I won't film everything. I think I'll just film the big presents. Do you think? Whoa! Or we'll be here all day. Be here out an hour filming.
Yeah.
Whoa, buddy! Wait, quick, go see! Rowan! He's obsessed with his choo-choo. Go see, Rowan! Quick! Rowan, look!
Roby.
Look what Isla's got you, Ro. Darling, what Isla's got another present for you. Wow!
Wow! Bird, what's that? Whoa! Whoa!
Oh my goodness, what on earth is this? A truck of trucks. Oh, isn't that cute?
Whoa! It's a dinosaur
Dinosaur
truck.
truck. Wow.
Wow!
Oh gosh.
Mummy can't see it. Rowan,
Isn't that lovely?
do you like it, bud?
Well, Isla, you've chosen some beautiful presents.
Isla's done amazing. Well done, Isla. All clap, Isla.
Clap, Isla.
Well
Clap,
done.
Isla.
Are you the
Thank
best
you.
present chooser, baby?
You are the best present. I hope you choose some for me next Christmas.
And me?
That'll
Are
be
you gonna
stunning.
be? Are you gonna be chief present chooser?
I think she should be,
You
don't you,
chose
Isla?
Mummy some presents, didn't you, for her birthday too?
Wow.
Do you remember?
Yeah, had some lovely Pandora and Lush stuff.
Did you have to go to the smelly shop for Mummy? Do you remember? Yeah.
What you've just got is such a way.
What's Nanny got you? Come on, bud.
Lift it up. Now lift it up and you can get it off.
Whoa!
What's that?
Isla's little face.
Oh, look. Look at Mummy. Go round to Mummy.
Whoa!
Oh, yes, we're going to be a... Oh, look at that. Tick-tock, chick. Tick-tock.
Look at the balls on there. Can you get a ball off?
Balls, love.
Love.
Lovely.
Have this ball, love. Come on, love. Have this ball. Do you know what I don't understand with stuff like that, like Swiss toys stuff? They don't just do a bag full of golf balls,
No, I know.
kiddie golf balls. Because how long are those for going to last? I'm going to search high and low now for
Yeah,
some.
put them on the floor, Ro, and I'll show you how to do it.
What's going on here?
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, look.
I'm at the wrong angle
I
entirely.
can do this. He said, I don't need you to do it.
Good. Oh my gosh, hole in one.
You can do that with him, can't you, darling?
Oh, we'll have a good play with that this afternoon, won't we, Isla?
Oh, wait up. It's gone. It's a goner. You said, I'll get it now. All right, Ro, you get it.
Good boy.
That's it. And it stands up, but it's got wheels.
I love it. It was slightly more expensive. There is a cheaper one, but I love that. I thought it's good quality.
Oh, no, it'll last for years, this will.
Yeah, it's good quality.
Don't Nanny play with you,
And I
Anna?
think it was a quite good price for $12.99. I'd be expected to pay about £25
Yeah.
for that. That was Smith's Toys as well.
Oh, God, that's gone.
Mum, taking the Lord's name in vain there.
Oh, dear
Tell
Lord.
you off. You naughty girl. There you go. That was sufficient.
Naughty girl.
Whoa!
Oh, jealous. That's That's a bit of a height. Oh!
I
My
think he's going to
goodness.
be a golfer.
Gosh, I'll tell you one
Crazy
thing.
golf would be a good idea next time we're on holiday.
Crazy golf. Yes,
It's funny you were saying that. I was thinking of doing the crazy golf in
Where's my ball?
Cheltenham. Is it a
No,
dinosaur?
the
that
other way round. You've got to
under
have
the
it like
sea
that.
golf?
Yeah.
But I don't know if it's wheelchair accessible, and I don't know if it's...
Dinosaur is
Hey,
hard,
watch
isn't
out,
it?
watch out.
You're having a nice birthday, look at you. I can dream big. Isla, look. I can dream big.
Yeah, shall I give it a proper check?
No, she's fine, thank you, ma'am. Isla's ready for the art situation. Hello, babe, are you dreaming big?
Are you having a flag fight?
All right, leave Isla alone. It's getting closer and closer to her little face. She's like, get away from me. Oh no.
Well done. Look, there's more than touchdown.
Whoa. Who's that? Should we go and look for some toys then? Should we go and look for some toys? Spend your birthday money? Yeah? He's obsessed with this. So we're just in Smith's getting some birthday treats with his birthday money.
So we've just been to the toy shop and the 2-year-old seems to have had a good time.
He's had it. He's got some boats, a new paddling pool, got this TT rocker thing, some bubbles for Isla. We're going to go and get the pool up and have a nice afternoon because it is super hot. We decided not to go, the window, we decided not to go bowling, didn't we? And Nanny's in the back.
I bought a massive big pool for them.
Nanny's bought a big pool. Garden time. Are you loving your birthday, buddy? Is this amazing?
Ready?
Go on then. Oh gosh, he's going backwards and that. Oh! Yay, buddy!
Nice birthday, boy. Beautiful. You're having a nice day, Rowan.
It's Isla having a nice time in that pool.
Well, she's here with me. You happy, Isla, with me?
I can't film Isla because she's got nothing on. She's just got swim stuff.
She's happy anyway. But it's Rowan's birthday. It's all about Rowan, really.
Yeah, it is nice. It's nice to vlog him having some fun.
Yeah, it is.
Go on then, bud. He's thinking, no, you hold my hand. I'm scared to death. 3, 2, 1. Whee!